Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to receive a money back notification in the Hotels Combined application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the notifications button and click on the emails button. And within this section, look for the money back notifications button and just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned blue, this function is enabled, and now you will receive refund info if you experience flight delays or cancellations. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.